How to change your name on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Messenger application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on three lines at the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon. After that, you can just scroll down until you find the option of accounts sent over here at the bottom. Tap on it. Then tap on the profiles icon. Then tap on the profile that your Facebook or your Messenger is associated with. And then tap on name. And here you can see the option of name over here. So if you want to change the name, you can just make a change. And if you change your name, then you cannot change it again for 60 days. So just make sure that you understand the change. And then tap on review change. Save changes. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.